Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
For our backwards to forward step, it's really important to understand one key concept, that backwards and forwards in ice skating are not 180 degrees apart from one another. It's slightly less than that, more like 120 to 90 degrees. So when we're preparing to step from backwards to forwards, we're going to think of making a capital L or T shape with our feet as we prepare to make that step. Getting started, we're going to be moving backwards. We can use some backwards lemons to get some momentum. And then we're going to take a moment to balance on 2 feet as we prepare to make our direction decision. I've turned my head this way, so this is the direction I'm going to make my step. I'm going to gently unweight the foot that is closest to the direction that I'm looking in so that I can gently open that foot and then step forwards in that direction. So now if I demonstrate the opposite way, I'm going to start with my backwards lemons. I'm going to look in the direction I want to make my step, raise my foot, open my foot and leg, and walk 1 step forwards in the direction that I've been looking.
Let's take a moment to appreciate that 90 degrees is the minimum angle to make a successful step forward, and a full-length view of the demonstration so we can appreciate the pace at which we must make that step forward. And now the devilish detail that the 90-degree angle will always open slightly further in the process of the push. Cycling through the moves, we build speed, balance on 2 feet, raise a foot, open it up, look towards it, and then push away like a T-push into our new direction.
One additional note that I'm going to give you is not only should we turn our head in the direction that we want to step, but we should open our shoulders. Think of it like opening the door for yourself to walk through. So after my backwards lemons, not only am I turning my head, but I'm also opening my shoulders, turning them also to face the direction that I then want to make my step. It's going to make your life a lot easier.
Whilst we may start our initial preparation and execution of this move thinking mostly of straight lines, directing ourselves straight back, opening up and stepping directly to the side, over time we will gradually try to introduce curves, as we can see Vitali demonstrating here. We would approach on a slightly curved pathway, open up to face out of the circle and step forwards on a curve.